Hello and welcome to a new joint product video. Today we show you how you can easily joint with Pro. The surface to be grouted must be freed from all dirt. Adjacent areas that are not to be grouted should be masked or covered. To avoid settling in loose stones, we recommend a permanently water-permeable and load-bearing substrate corresponding to the subsequent load. The joints must be cleaned of weeds, roots and loose parts without leaving any residue and clear to a depth of at least 25 mm, 2/3 of the stone height for traffic load. Pre-wet the entire surface extensively. Higher soil temperatures and absorbent, open-pored rock require more intensive pre-wetting. Generally, use clean and cold water. Open the bucket. Pour the bottle inside completely to the sand component. Fill the emptied bottle to 0.25 liters of water and close it. Shake vigorously and add to the mixture. Make sure the bottle is completely empty. Use a professional stirring or mixing device. Start mixing process and mix thoroughly for at least 6 minutes until a creamy, flowing mass is obtained. No further addition of water is necessary. Pour the finished mixture onto the well pre-wetted surface. Work in the jointing compound carefully and as diagonally as possible to the joint using a rubber squeegee. To make the most of the flowability, it is recommended to divide this mixture into 2 to 3 portions. Mix the remaining joint compound again briefly. Keep the surface constantly wet during this work. After approximate 10 to 20 minutes, sweep the stone surface carefully and diagonally to the joint with a medium-coarse street broom. If white gel-like streaks form on the stone surface, the correct sweeping time has not yet been reached. Then remove the remaining mortar residues with a fine coconut broom. Material that has been swept off should no longer be used. Be aware that chamfers, beveling of the side edges, on slabs and pavers must be exposed. Amazing! Look at this result you can achieve with Pro at any time. Why not visit us online and learn more about a joint, the perfect joint? See you in the next video.